The bell today marked another record close, with the Dow Jones today ever so close to an all-time record of 20,000.
Mekahlo Medina joins us live with a look at why it's booming and who is actually winning in this surge. Mac.
Well, Colleen and Chuck, it really has been an amazing run. 15 for a record 15 times since the election, closing at record highs. Today it closed at this number. Check it out, 19,796. That's up 40 points alone today. It's up more than 1,200 points since Donald Trump was elected. And that's why folks are calling this the Trump rally. The president-elect is talking a lot of things that Wall Street likes, including deregulation, lower corporate taxes, and of course, lots of talk about cabinet positions from folks, business leaders, folks in Wall Street, and possibly the CEO of Exxon becoming the Secretary of State. Speaking of those energy stocks, that's really what led this rally over the course of the day today. Exxon up 2%, along with West Texas crude oil. I want to actually show you exactly what we're talking about in terms of this surge. It has been an amazing run, as I mentioned. This has been since the election. You can see it has gone straight up to 19,796 from just the day before the election. We talked to a financial planner, David Ray, who says despite the urge to actually jump in and buy, most investors, like 401k folks like you and me, should be conservative, he says, and consistent.
Around big numbers like 20,000 and 10,000, there was a lot of volatility. People are afraid to go beyond that. They're afraid that we're at a bubble, or we're afraid of these things when we hit these record highs. And you're hearing news that we're at record highs, and every time the market goes up again, it's going to be a record high. We're in new territory. But it doesn't mean you should really stray from your long-term financial planning, your long-term investments.
Big question here is how long will this rally last? Well, interest rates are expected to go up by the Federal Reserve on Wednesday, and 2017, many speculate, will signal even higher rates more often throughout the year. Many economists believe that will stifle the rally, but they also say this: if Trump's economic policies gets passed by Congress quickly, well, that could extend this run. Now, history actually shows that a post-election rally doesn't necessarily foreshadow a booming economy. In fact, Herbert Hoover had a 13% market surge following his election in 1928 before the country plunged into the Great Depression. Back to you.